and in today's video I will be showing you guys how you guys can transfer Ethereum from Trust Wallet to bank account. But for those people who do not know Ethereum is the world's second largest crypto exchange with a market cap of $500 billion, and it goes up and down, so when you're watching the video it might be up or it might be down. And for those people who do not know Trust Wallet is a place where you guys can store your crypto. It is a digital wallet for storing your digital crypto. Now with that said, if you guys want to sign up into Trust Wallet, I will recommend you guys to use it because it's pretty safe and secure. Now with that said, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And let's jump right into the video, which is on how you guys can transfer your Ethereum from Trust Wallet to bank account. Now let me make it clear, alright? You guys cannot transfer any cryptocurrency to any bank because banks don't accept cryptocurrency. Well, not right now. In the future, they might. But we are not in the future, we're in the present. And in the present, no bank in no world accepts, crypto. So if you want to transfer your Ethereum into your bank account, there is no way, but there is a way. We are not going to actually transfer our Ethereum, alright? What we want to do is, we want to, transfer our Ethereum from Trust Wallet to any place where you guys can sell it. Because in Trust Wallet, you guys can't sell Ethereum. So make sure to transfer it to any crypto exchange where you guys can sell it. Now, for example, I'm going to transfer my Ethereum from Trust Wallet to Binance. And once it's on Binance, I will sell it. Now, once I sell it, I get cash. And that cash, I'm going to be transferring it into my bank account. So yeah, that's the way how you guys can transfer your Ethereum. But remember, when the Ethereum value goes up, the money on your bank is not going to go up, because the moment you sell your Ethereum and you get money, they're not connected with each other. All right. So just keep that in mind. And at the current stage, that's the only way you guys can, put your Ethereum on your bank. It's not putting your Ethereum, but it is in a way. That's what I said in the beginning of the video. So if you're just transferring to, store your crypto in your bank, that's impossible. So just keep that in mind. The only place to store your crypto is on your crypto exchange or in your crypto wallet. So hope you understand. And there is like a bank thing for crypto, BlockFi, where they provide you interest if you deposit your crypto over there, but it's not a bank, okay? Because it's not secure. If somebody hacks your crypto and takes it from your BlockFi, then BlockFi is not going to be responsible for that. That's what they say. So they're not bank, all right? So hope you understand. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel app tutorial, and bye bye.